is 7 o'clock. It's very cold this morning, 26 degrees out right now. Just finished packing up and we're headed to town today. I don't know why I'm so excited about it. We literally were just in town. But last night we were like, we're getting Hardee's and Dairy Queen today. We were so excited. Anyway.
We're spoiled.
Yeah. What do we have for today?
20.2 miles, 3,451 feet of ascent, 3,862 feet of descent.
That doesn't sound too bad to me, actually.
Yeah.
Do we pass anything? We do pass a hostel that we stayed at last time we hiked the AT.
But it's off trail.
Yeah, so we're not going to go there this time. But if you are hiking, look into it. It's called Woods Hole Hostel. It's really nice. They make like this huge organic dinner. It's very delicious. Anyways.
Yeah, I think so. The lady's dad like built the cabin.
Her dad or her grandpa?
Yeah, one of them.
One of the two, but she inherited it.
And you can stay in the house or you can stay in the bunkhouse. And it's like a community thing. You can like you help do the dishes and
yeah, everybody kind of helps out cleaning up, and so it's a pretty cool place.
Yeah.
Bummed we don't get to stop there this time, but
gotta keep moving.
Gotta keep those miles going. So anyway.
Miles over smiles, as Leah says.
No, I do not say that. I disagree with that saying. Very much so. Trip's back there packing up. He'll be ready in no time. Are you ready? Yep. I am. We need to get moving. Get warmed up.
Sometimes.
It's 9:30. We've gone about 4.5 miles so far today. Still a little bit chilly out. It's only 38 degrees still. And it's breezy. We're up on a ridgeline right now. This morning, right after we left camp, we had the opportunity to take a blue blaze that would have skipped this whole part, cut off about 5 miles of our day. We really did think about it since we're going into town today.
It's called the Ribble Trail.
It's called the Ribble Trail. Yeah, since we're going into town today, would have saved us, you know, a couple hours. We would have got there early. But in the end, we decided not to do it. Just stick with the red line.
I want to see the pond.
Follow the white blazes. Kevin really wanted to see the pond that we passed earlier, which was really pretty. We do have a couple of views coming up that we would have missed. And it's actually not too bad of a hike anyway. There was a little section that was steep for about 1.5 miles, but other than that, it's actually quite nice. Even though it's cold out still, I am kind of daydreaming about getting some ice cream from the Dairy Queen.
Are you going to say how you want to eat some ice cream and it's 38 degrees right now?
I am, as I walk, daydreaming of an ice cream cone. So, that is what I am looking forward to coming up later on today.
Of a Hardee's Big Hot and Ham Cheese sandwich.
Hot and ham cheese sandwich?
Yeah. That's a nice warm.
Okay.
Okay, here's our view.
Stopped for an early lunch. It's only 20 after 11. This is what's on the lunch menu for today. Not my favorite lunch, but it'll have to do. What are you having? Ham and cheese crackers?
Ham and cheese crackers.
Lucky. He's got a good lunch. Lunchtime is over. We are back on the trail. We got a little bit of a climb right now, going about 1.4 up to a lookout. And then total, we have about 10.5 miles left for the day until our turn. We will take a road into town and we'll walk right past the Dairy Queen. Still dreaming about it. Pretty sweet view. We're at our last view of the day before we head down to the road. This one's called Angel's Rest. It's 5 o'clock. We can finally see the road. We have like a 0.1 left till we get down there. We've decided to make our first stop is going to be Hardee's. Kevin's got me craving a hamburger, and I've never had a monster burger before, so Gonna get that. Then we're gonna stop at Dairy Queen and get some ice cream for dessert. Haven't decided what I'm gonna get from there yet. Thinking a banana split. Kevin says a Blizzard's the only way to go, but not sure about that. Then we're gonna head to the hotel. There's 2 hotels in town. We don't have a reservation for either one of them. We're gonna just stop by and see if they have any rooms available. There's also a hostel in town called Angel's Rest, just like that rock up there. So, and then after we figure out where we're staying, gonna do our resupply, which I don't have any food in my food bag again besides one dehydrated meal. Kevin, on the other hand, has quite the load left. Anyway, we're almost to the road.
You get these for later?
Checked into the hotel. We were gonna stay at the Plaza, but they were all booked up, so we went with the other one. Trip staying at Angel's Rest. But yeah, we're going to Food Lion right now, and we're gonna resupply for 3 nights, 4 days to Daleville.
It's 10 o'clock. We are about to go to bed. Well, I still have to take a shower, and he's got to transfer some videos and stuff, and then we're gonna go to bed. But we did get all of our resupply done. Laundry's done. Got to talk to our kids for a couple hours, so that was nice. Overall, the day was really nice. Had a lot of really good views.
Super cruisy.
Yeah, it was nice. I liked it a lot.
Tired today.
We are pretty tired.
I think
right
it
now.
would be a lot worse. We were in that tunnel a lot today.
Yeah, if we were out in the sun. Yeah. The past couple days, like, I feel like our faces have been a little bit redder. Like, we're getting a little bit
I don't know if you can
sunburned.
see our tan.
Hiker tan lines. Those are awesome. We got them on our feet, too.
Even with like the chilled day, you're still getting that UV.
Yeah. Tomorrow we have another kind of big day. It's going to be 23 or 24.
Yeah, so we were gonna do about a 24, but they just closed Bailey Gap Shelter today. I guess there's been some bear problems at it. Like, bears have been attacking
food bags.
At least one bear has been, and like the people are yelling at it and screaming at it, and the bear don't care.
It's just not afraid of humans,
so they just no more camping at that shelter. So we're gonna camp by a parking lot. It's a campsite, so maybe it won't be as whatever.
Maybe the bear won't come there, hopefully, because we don't want to.
Yeah, they're like, oh yeah, don't stay there, but like
a
bears
couple
are gonna
miles
travel.
away, isn't that much of a difference, especially if the bear doesn't have any food bags at the shelter
to mess with.
It might look for him somewhere else. So hopefully, it don't look by any of the hikers near us. So, anyways, I don't have anything else, do you?
No.
See you guys tomorrow morning. Back on trail. Man, there's a woodpecker going ham down there. Hey, wait. Come close to me.
Let's see your Squidward dance.
Yabba dabba doo. All right, we're gonna take these pants off, so see ya.
Time down shock.